Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy, high-protein meals. Get ready to transform your diet with recipes that are nutritious, delicious, and easy to make. Want to build muscle, lose weight, or stay full longer? High-protein meals are your answer. Stick around to discover how protein can benefit your body and lifestyle. Why is protein so crucial for our bodies? It helps repair tissues, build muscle, and maintain a strong immune system. Let's break down the importance of incorporating more protein into your diet. Understanding the role of protein, carbs, and fats in a balanced diet is essential. Protein supports muscle growth, carbs provide energy, and fats help with nutrient absorption and hormone production. First up, a delicious grilled chicken salad packed with protein and flavor. This meal is perfect for lunch or dinner, offering a satisfying and nutritious way to meet your protein needs. You'll need chicken breast, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light dressing. These ingredients come together to create a meal that's both nutritious and delightful, perfect for any time of day. Start by seasoning the chicken breast and grilling it until perfectly cooked. While it cools, prepare the mixed greens and cherry tomatoes. Slice the chicken and toss everything with the light dressing. Next, for the quinoa and black bean bowl, gather quinoa, black beans, corn, avocado, and lime. These ingredients provide a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making this dish incredibly satisfying. Cook the quinoa according to package instructions. Combine it with black beans, corn, and diced avocado. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the bowl and mix well, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. This quinoa and black bean bowl is not only filling, but also versatile. You can enjoy it warm or cold, making it an excellent option for meal prep or a quick, nutritious meal. For a high-protein breakfast or snack, you can't go wrong with our Greek yogurt parfait. It's simple to make, delicious, and packed with essential nutrients to fuel your day. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. You'll need Greek yogurt, honey, berries, and nuts. The combination of these ingredients creates a perfect balance of creamy, sweet, and crunchy textures, making it a delightful treat any time of day. Layer the ingredients in a glass or bowl, starting with Greek yogurt, followed by a drizzle of honey, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts. Repeat until the container is full. Here are some tips for adding more protein to any meal. Incorporate high-protein ingredients like lean meats, legumes, and dairy to boost your protein intake effortlessly. Keep high-protein snacks like nuts, cheese, and boiled eggs on hand. These convenient options make it easier to stay on track with your protein goals throughout the day. Protein supplements can be a convenient way to boost your daily intake, especially when you're on the go. They are available in various forms, including powders, bars, and ready-to-drink shakes. Mixing up your protein sources ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Incorporate meat, dairy, legumes, and plant-based options like tofu and tempeh to achieve a balanced diet. Planning and prepping your meals in advance can help you stay on track with your protein goals. Set aside time each week to cook and portion out healthy, high-protein meals. Just a quick recap: the benefits of high-protein meals: they aid in muscle building, weight management, and keeping you full longer. The recipes we've shared are easy, delicious, and packed with protein. Try out these recipes and see the difference they make in your diet. Subscribe for more healthy meal ideas and share your favorite high-protein dishes in the comments below. We hope you found inspiration in our protein-packed meal ideas. For more nutritious recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and share your favorite high-protein meals in the comments.